I'm filming. There you go. Being invaded by bees at our recently acquired allotment. And this gentleman is here today. What was your first name, sir?
Stuart.
Stuart is a professional
An amateur.
and amateur. And he is going to remove the bees today. And this is how you do it. Okay, he's going in now. Yeah, you wouldn't want to get stung there. Would they attack? They'd all attack you, would they?
Hmm?
Would they, if they knew something was going on now, they'd attack you?
They're at their safest now.
Right.
Because the queen will be in the middle and they're trying to protect the queen. They're trying to keep the queen in the middle. So on that basis, they're safer now than than they are normally. I'll take those away, look.
They kind of know something's going on now, don't they? There's more flying around.
A little bit more movement, yeah. Yeah, look.
Yeah.
There's a small cluster. I'm going to pop those in on the honey. They're going to start flying around a bit, so I'll just flick those in. So, I'm hoping that the ones down here are going to walk up in a minute.
Yeah, they're disturbed now.
They're going to start flying a bit more now.
Yeah.
Right, so,
You can hear them. I have to gently back off a little here, folks, because
I would, yeah.
interesting, isn't it? Look at them. Yeah, they're getting very busy now. That's how far away I've had to move because they're kind of all over the place. can hear them buzzing. What do you think?
So what we're hoping now is they'll settle. Some of the ones now that are at the entrance to the hive will be fanning, which will attract the others in. They'll either stay in there or they'll all come back out and go somewhere else. But it'll quiet down now in a minute, I hope. But the white sheet, they will walk along the white sheet in towards the entrance. That's my hope.
All right.
I was hoping to leave it on the ladder, which was close to where they were, but I couldn't get the ladder to fit, the lid to fit up
Yeah.
over it. You know?
Yeah.
So put
Okay.
it there.
Okay, folks, that's about it. We'll do a follow-up a little later on today. Adios.